Oh my god, you're dangerous.
Yes.
I should stay away from you. Maybe we can fight. You're boxing, I'm capoeira, so.
Changing Instagram, I
Yeah.
see.
I,
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a very different video from what I usually do. So I'm gonna be setting up two half Japanese persons on a blind date. So they have never met each other before, so this is gonna be a very interesting video. Okay, so right now I have one person here in this room with me, and then I'm going to get the other person pretty soon. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna cover their eyes and they're gonna be talking to each other, asking each other questions, and then at the end of the video they're gonna reveal themselves. So we have the first person here, and I'm gonna get the other person. So you can put on your blindfold now. Okay? Alright.
okay.
So this is
Konnichiwa.
number 2. English please. Okay, I think, oh no, not here. Right, trying to find our room. Alright, so it's 7:03. Yes. Okay, so you have to put on your blindfold.
Okay.
By the way, guys, so Brandy is not that fluent in English, so he will be translating for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so do you want to tell each other your names?
Yeah. So ladies first.
Okay, so tell me your name.
Me?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Ayaka Brandy. Nice to meet you.
Yoko Brownie.
Ayaka.
Ayaka-san. Okay.
Ayaka desu.
Ayaka-san. Okay. I am Bacho.
Bacho.
Yeah, Bacho. Like, you know, I'm Mr. Nyama, so this name is Nyama name. ニャマ人のハーフだから、そうニャマの名前でバッチョ。そう、ニャマとハーフ。
Please translate what you just said in Japanese.
So I'm half with Myanmar. So and I took the name Cho, and the rest is like Aung is Myanmar name. So my name becomes like Bacho. And in Japan, you know, like in 日本語でそれ課長部長社長いるね。そう、私はバチョ。
バチョ。
違うね。
なるほど。
So in English, like we have section department, group department, like head, right? So we call them, department head is like kacho, and group head is like, I don't know, it's bucho, right? So I am bacho. So,
Wait, what? That totally missed me.
No, it's just make, I explain to you, just my name to be like easy to understand. It has no meaning. I'm just making a joke.
Okay.
yeah. It just have the same pronunciation, you know? That's why I'm making a joke, like kacho, bucho, shacho. I am bacho.
Bacho.
Yeah, bacho. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so you already told her what you're mixed with. So
Yeah.
Brandy, can you tell him what you're mixed with?
Okay. My father Congolese.
Congo?
Yes.
Okay.
My mother Japanese.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So your father is from Congo and your mother is Japanese.
Yes.
Okay, which side of your family is Japanese?
My father is Myanmar and my mother is Japanese, same like her.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. Wow. Congo is like, maybe you must have like big round eyes, maybe beautiful eyes. Right?
今後は
今後だからちょっと目は丸くて大きい綺麗な目が持ってると思う。
そうなんだ。
合ってるですか？
私はどうだろう。多分ね。
合ってるね。
多分ね。
Okay.
1 point.
Maybe.
Translate, please.
Okay, I told her, so as she's like half with Congo, right? So I told her eyes must be round shape and beautiful eyes. So I asked her, is it true? And she said, maybe, but I think it's true. So I told her, I scored 1 point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, anything you want to say to Brandy?
Okay, so for me, like I will introduce myself in full details after Nihongo de. So I was like, I'm a little bit like confused. Like I missed with Japan, but most of the time I was like I spent my time in Myanmar until graduation, and then I came back here as a foreigner, even though my blood was mixed. So like I had to like study proper Japanese again because like we speak in my home like Japanese sometimes, but mostly English in Myanmar. So like I'm also like a foreigner here, but most of the places I'm not used to. But I've been in Tokyo for like almost 2 years right now. So I'm working here as an engineer, and Tokyo is very fun. Yeah,
Tokyo is very fun.
very fun for me.
Not really. For you, but not for me. But
Yeah.
okay. All right.
Okay.
So, do you understand, Brandy?
理論
Okay. All right. So, say it in Japanese now.
僕はまあ日本人とハーフですけど、ちょっとまあ大体まあ中学校くらいからまあミャンマーで引っ越しして、それから大学終わりまで住んだから、まあ家には日本語話することですけど、ちょっとまあ大体まあミャンマー語と英語だけ使ったことが多い。だからまあ日本でまあもう一回私今自分でまあ働いてる時にまあ東京で住んでいて。まあ、日本語も、まあ、ビジネス日本語とか、外国人的な時に、勉強してるでも東京は楽しいと言ってる、
私は生まれたのはコンゴで、
ああはい
I was born in コンゴで、2ヶ月で日本に来たので、ほとんど日本人として育ちました。
じゃあ変わった
そう
私たちそうですね。
そうだからもう全然向こうのことはわからないというか、言葉も全然わからない。
今後のそこどんな言語を使ってるんですか今後は？
メインがフレンチで、
フランス。
そうでも向こうの言葉もある。
ミックスでね。
そうそうそう。
わかりました。
パパはいっぱい喋れるけど。
パパから学んでない？
Only Japanese.
Only Japanese.
Only Japanese.
Okay, so now translate, please.
Okay, she was born in Congo, but like after 2 months old, she was moved here in Japan. So only like she's like naturally Japanese, literally Japanese. So like she doesn't even speak the Congo language. So I asked her, what does Congo use for the language? And she said mostly French. But they also have old language in Congo. So her father speak very well. But I asked her, didn't you learn from your father? She said no, only Japanese.
Okay.
Yeah. 今、勉強ですか働いてるんですか
今は働いてます。
おお。すみません、私26歳ですけど、ブランディは
24歳です。
若者だね。まあ私も本当に一番、まあ、古い感じ
古くは
グランファーダー
No, 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 no.
No?
2 years かは変わらないから。
そうだね。
大丈夫。全然おじいちゃんじゃない。
おじいちゃん。
おじいちゃんもやばい。
I'm 26 years old. I asked her how old is she, and she said she's 24. So I told her I was surprised. I maybe look very old, and she said no, just 2 years difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. What are you guys' hobbies?
Okay. My hobby is I play rugby in Myanmar, and also I play capoeira, which is Brazilian martial arts. We only use legs. And it's like dancing. It's like mostly acrobatic. And when I arrived to Tokyo, I also play capoeira and rugby. But rugby is only touch rugby, not contact.
スポーツ昔はトラック&フィールドのロングディスタンスしてて、で競歩ってわかりますか？パワーウォーク。
日本のスポーツ？
グローバルです。レースウォーク。レースウォーク選手でした。until high school student まで。
レース。
早歩き。レースウォーク。ロングディスタンス。
Okay. Like jogging fast.
Yes.
Jogging. Okay. Oh, so you must be fit.
Yes.
体は強い感じ？
多分 maybe. But now 今はB モンスター。Do you know B モンスター
？I don't know.
Like boxing.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're dangerous.
Yes.
I should stay away from you. Maybe we can fight. You're boxing, I'm capoeira, so.
So in high school, she did track and field.
Yeah, like it's like jogging quick. Like what did this called race walking? They just walking, but they have to race. Like not running. Yeah. So this is in Japan, and now she's doing like right now she's like boxing, so stay away from her, everyone. When you meet her in Tokyo, especially.
So, what is like your favorite food? Yes.
The lady first.
I like 肉でしょ
What is that?
Beef.
Oh,
Beef.
Pork.
Pork.
Fish.
Mm-hmm.
And avocado.
Oh, avocado.
あとパスタ。
もちろん。
なんだろうな。
I eat everything. I eat everything. Before I moved here, I worked in Singapore. So I sometimes I have to work on the. I'm a marine engineer, so I have to work on a ship. So I have to stay on the ship for 6 months and the rest on the land. So that time I cannot choose the food. So I'm used to all kinds of food, but mostly I like a food is like with a soup and it must be warm. So I eat everything which is warm and have a soup.
Okay. So you would even eat a frog?
No.
Well, I thought you said you eat everything.
Yeah, no. Do you also eat frog?
No, but I'm just asking you because you said you eat everything.
Anything edible, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
カエルは食べないんだ。
But some people eat frog though.
Oh, frog?
フログってカエルですよね。
そう、私とは食べれないぞ。でもそれ中国では食べれるんですよね。
多分そう。
ね、ちょっとね、これちょっと嫌い。普通の料理しか食べたことないんですよ。はい。ブランディそんなもの食べたことはない。ない。
絶対食べない。
そうだね。でも、刺身とか食べれる？
刺身は大好き。
大好きね。
お寿司も大好き。
ね、健康のためにもいいから。
Fish? Something about fish? Sashimi?
Yeah. Like she likes sashimi is her favorite. Yeah. Because like it's fresh, right? What is this called in Japanese? I don't know.
So you like sushi? You love sushi?
Yes.
I also like sushi and sashimi because I'm like playing rugby. I'm getting gym, so I need to eat, which will not make me fat. So I need more fish and more fish. So I prefer fish if I can have it.
Okay.
I have one question for Brandy.
Okay.
So she was like, 今どんどん生まれた時から今まで日本でしたから、海外行ったことある？どんな海外旅行とかしたいことがあるんですか？
行ったことのある国はアメリカと韓国だけ
あ、そうですか。
かな。
韓国。韓国でK-POP 大好き？
好きだった。
好きですか？
わずです。
好きだったで今
はあんまり聞かない。なんかそうすごい好きなグループがジャストワングループあったんですけど、今は5人だったのが3人になっちゃって、あんまり
ビッグバンですね。
ビッグバンじゃない。
ビッグバンじゃない？違う。
そうか。あんまり人気なかった。
そうか。
ちょっとみんな知ってる人は知ってる。
へえ。I asked her like where has she been like outside of Japan. She said she's been to America and Korea. So I asked her why Korea, maybe K-pop, and she said yes, K-pop. But it was like she used to listen K-pop, but not now. And I asked her like which band she liked, and she said B4U.
B1A4.
B1A4. Yeah. B1A4. Okay.
I've never heard of that group.
Yeah, I told her when I was young, I used to listen to K-pop too, but only Big Bang and 2NE1. So I didn't know that. BTS just right now, but we are oldies, we are very classic. Classic K-pop.
Old
yeah.
What do you think Brandy looks like?
Because she played sports since she was young. And she must be fit, and because she's like doing kickboxing, only determined. Like ladies, like very rare, right? So only determined person. So she must be like, I don't know about the appearance, but she must be very strict, like kibishi.
Very fit.
Strict.
Strict.
Yeah, strict.
Like slim.
Yeah. I think appearance is slim. Not slim, a little bit fit. I think she's fit. I think.
Okay. And what do you think he looks like?
私
Yeah.
Maybe 多分身長が175。
合ってる。 の子じゃない。
170。
72。
あ
おお、すごいね。
172でスリムででもカポエラやってたんでしょ。ちょっとマッチョ、リルビットマッチョ、細マッチョ。
細。
マスク
No,マッソ。そう。
muscle.
Macho. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, what did she say?
She said like I must be between like before she was saying 175. So I told her very close, not 5. She says at 170. No, and I told her I'm 172 centimeter in height. And she says I'm doing capoeira. She thinks I'm like a macho, very manly. Yeah. So yeah, maybe I'm manly. I don't know. Yeah.
You don't know if you're manly.
Yeah, because I do drinking, I do like sports, so it may be macho right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I like drinking. Do you drink brandy? 飲める？お酒とか。
あんまり好きじゃない。
好きじゃない。じゃあタバコとかも
吸わない。
私タバコ吸わないです。
お酒は大好き。
お酒大好きじゃん。最近お酒飲みたくない感じで。前は飲んでる。最近飲みたくない。
飲みたくないんだ。
そう、金にも飲みたくない。金曜日には自由、暇ですよ。その時に飲んでビデオを見たいんですけど、金もないです。飲みたくない感じで。
確かに。休みの時だけ。only
holidays.
So you're like a social drinker. So only when you go out, like events.
ちょっとだけ。
ビール？
ビールはあんま好きじゃない。
ハイボール？
梅酒？
梅酒。日本人のドリンカー。そう、梅酒だから。She's explaining about 梅酒, the Japanese sake. Like we all think like we both think it's made from peach. It's a little bit like it's a taste for the women. Mostly women like it.
Like a fruity taste?
Yeah, fruity taste. It's made from fruit.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Alright, do you guys have any more questions for each other?
I have many questions.
Okay.
I have many questions.
I guess you guys have a good exchange Instagram or numbers and ask. But yeah, but you can ask one more.
Okay, ladies first.
Do you have any questions?
兄弟は何人？
兄弟、弟いる、1人。
じゃあ2人だけ？
2人だけです。
自分と。
そう、自分と弟です。
Okay, what did she say?
Do I have any siblings? So I said I have one younger brother.
私は5人兄弟で一番上？
一番上？強い感じね。上私もお兄さんだから、ちょっと弟にはちょっと厳しい感じ。そう。
似てますね。
そう、
同じ。
実はいじめてる。
いじめてる。
She has 5 siblings and she's including her, and she's the oldest. Okay. So I told her like this must be like very difficult. Like this is we are very strict because we are the oldest. So for me, I also like strict to my brother.
Okay.
So we say kibishi in Nihongo. So, but I told her actually like I'm bullying my brother. So she said she's laughing. After that, what did we say?
About share house.
Share house. Like she's, I asked her living with parents or alone. Like she said she's with her friends at share house. And also I'm the same, but I'm living at a communist home. So, yeah, we're almost the same situation. And I'm living like 40 minutes from here. And she asked me about the rent. Is it expensive or cheap? And it's like in the median, not very cheap, not very expensive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so are you ready to take off your blindfold?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so wait, hold on, don't look. Okay, after 3, you're gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna tell you when to look at each other, okay? So after 3, take it off. 1, 2, 3. So take it off. Take it off, and now look at each other.
I still cannot see.
Oh yeah, you cannot see.
Okay.
Very very slim fit.
ちょっとダメ、ぷよぷよだから。
私も同じ。
Yeah, so do you guys like what you see? Okay.
So we're cute. Right? Cute.
ありがとうございます。Thank you. Yay, cute.
I want to show my face, okay? This is my face.
なんか曇ってる。
そうそう。暑いだから。
Oh, it's because of the mask. The mask,
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
This is very small. Oh my god.
Very small and hot.
Yeah. Oh.
Exchanging Instagram, I see. Nice.
Okay, QR code. Scan.
Alright guys, so this is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm gonna leave their Instagram links in the description box below, so you guys can head over to their Instagram to check them out. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so until next time. Oh, do you want to say bye? Do you want to say anything else?
またね。
バイバイ。
Bye.
逆に。バイバイ。